Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and here is my project share for today. It is these half composition books, fall version. I just showed you the Christmas version on Wednesday. So I did make a bunch more of Christmas, but I also made these fall. And we'll go through the fall, and then I'll show you the Christmas ones that I finished. These are great for gratitude journals, but let me go ahead and back off the camera. My desk is a mess, so bear with me. I didn't put any ribbon on this one yet. I probably will, like I did another one. But anyway, here is what I did. I'd made some tags to put into that section. And remember, I followed Carolina Craft's video on how to make these. And so anyway, there's the first divider page, and these are going to be real simple. There's the second. I didn't put a pocket on that one, and I didn't put a pocket on any of them except for these sides. So that is that one. Very cute, very plain. All right, this one, I love it. I believe this paper, the next ones I'm going to show you are Simple Vintage Autumn. So it's Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Autumn. This paper is beautiful, and then some of it I mixed with Michael's paper, and then I just put in some of the cut-aparts from the collection, and course tags. I put a little bit more in this one. Actually got that fabric glue on that one. And then, oops, sorry about that. Then here's a pocket. And I did use some of the Michael's paper for this and that tag. And then these are cut aparts from that collection. Collection is so cute. It has all those cute little animals, and it's just darling. And then I do have the stickers from the collection as well. And then here's one of the little raccoons from that collection. And then this paper is Michael's paper, a variety of Michael's paper I used to supplement that paper. It's just so beautiful. I love photorealistic paper. Yes, it's hard to use, but you can make covers for journals, and you can make policy envelopes, bags, etc. using photorealistic paper. Okay, here is another piece of paper from that collection, and this was a full page with trees on it, and you know those are hard to use. Well, here's a perfect example of how to use that, and it turned out beautiful. Okay, so there's some cut aparts from that collection. Simple Stories, let me see, let me tell you the name of it again. Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Autumn. And I bought it from scrapbook.com. And then I just used some of that photorealistic paper from the other album to make the pocket for this one. And I did put quite a bit of cut aparts. Yes, look at how cute that little fox is. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. So those are the cut aparts that I put in there. No bows or anything. I didn't, just kept it real simple. No ribbon or anything on the tags. I mean, you could add some paper clips or stuff like that. I just wanted to keep them simple, very, very simple. So, and then there's the back of that one. Very cute. Okay, here's another piece of that paper. Love this pumpkin. I kind of messed it up here, but it's okay. So here's the pocket and cut aparts I put in there. Look how cute that little hedgehog is with the pumpkins. And then this is Michael's paper for the tag. And then that. And then this pocket, look how cute. I love this paper from that collection. You'll see that in the next book. But anyway, here's some cut aparts that I added to it. And then tags from Michael's paper. Okay. And then here is that divider. And then the last page, I put in the tags, and then I stacked up some of the sayings from the sticker sheet from that collection. And then there's the back of that. Okay. Used a different piece of paper for the back of that. And that goes into this one. Look how cute this is. I love this paper. Let's go ahead and show you the back too. I used both sides. Yeah, that's kind of a little crooked. Oh well. So here is that pocket with cut aparts. And the first divider page. And then the second with the pocket. Let's get that out of there real quick. Here's the little dividers. Look at him. It's so cute. Or her. Look how cute. Anyway, I'm going to use some of the sticker words from that. Here's another divider page. The last one. I mean, I just threw things together. This is actually a Michael's paper. And that's Michael's paper as well. I was just trying to pair, because I didn't have a lot of this paper from that collection, the Simple Stories collection, in order to make all of the divider pages, so I just used some of my Michael's papers. So that's all the fall ones I made, and then I will show you some of the Christmas ones that I haven't finished them all, but I cut out a bunch. Ooh. So I'll show you the ones I finished first. So I think I might have showed you this on Wednesday, but this is so cute. I added some tags. More tags. And you can see I used some of that fall paper for the tags, and it was okay. And then I did put the tabs on as well, and then a few tags in there. Okay. And then, let's see, I did this one. I did not put any tabs. I bought some weird ephemera from Michael's, and it's this acetate. I don't know how to glue it down without it showing, and boy, did it show. Kind of messed that one up. And then here's a cute pocket with the tags for that divider. And then the last divider, it's just that, and then that, and that back paper. I think I might have showed these on Wednesday. Yeah, I showed this one, and I don't think I had it decorated. Nope. So I did decorate it a little bit. No tabs. And that pocket, I think I showed these on. Yeah. And that. And of course I showed you the deer one on Wednesday. But here's some others that I have. You know, I just need to decorate them. And I haven't finished that. So here's another deer one. This one, since I messed it up, that's going to be mine. My December daily. And then here's that one. I just need to finish these. And this one. And this one. All right. Are you going to make a journal? one of these have composition notebooks. They are fun. A lot of fun. So here we go. Here's those fall ones that I made. I still have a bunch of paper cut out because I have a lot of these journals, and I'm gonna make them and probably share them in swaps. Anyway, you guys take care and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.